Hello everyone. In this short video, we're going to tell you that how to find out all Microsoft Word shortcut commands that you can use on your Windows system. How to find them all in one shot. So here we go. So first of all, you should open up a blank Word document. So I'm going to open that using the programs. All right, Microsoft Word. Open up a blank document. So now from the menu, from the top, you have to go to the view option. Click on it, go to macros and select view macros. Now from the macros in, you have to select word commands from the drop down, and from macros name you should use list commands. You can search for it, select it, then click run. That's asking that whether you want to create a new document, which list, or all Word documents. So I'll go with the current keyboard settings that I have on my laptop. So I'll go with that and click OK. And here we go. So here is the entire list of Word shortcuts that I can use on my Windows machine as per my keyboard settings on this laptop. So there's a huge list. So yeah, this is how you can, find out Word shortcuts that you can use on your Microsoft Word. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.